ನಾವು ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಅಲಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಡುವಂತ
Central Division has done a very good work by making unprecedented seizure of 13 quintals of ganja from Gulbarga district of Karnataka. On 30th of August, Shashadripuram Inspector Krishnamurthy received an information that a person is selling ganja in an auto near Vivinagiri. After questioning the accused, Yanshekar, he came to know that one person by name Lavti has handed over this consignment to him in Mannaikanhalli police limits of Bangalore rural district. When he secured that Lavti, during his interrogation, it was revealed that he used to get this ganja from Gulbarga district. There is a taluk called Kamlanagar. Immediately after that, Sub Inspector Nabi Saab and Raja Saab Tehsildar Head Constable were deputed to Kamlanagar as decoy. They pretended to be buyers for ganja. They pretended as they were ganja peddlers. So they went there and they established contacts with two people. One is Chandrakant Chavan and one Nagnath. And they reached a village called Lachanaikana Tanda. And after reaching there, he established contact with these people, established contact with these two persons, and they avoided meeting them directly. And after continuous persuasion, these two people, Chavan and Nagnath, they asked them to come to one particular place at around sometime 7 in the morning. When these two policemen, who were posing as buyers of ganja, these two people, these two criminals, they didn't turn up, and they kept on telling them to come. They kept on changing the locations of meeting. And after some time, in fact, whole day, they made them to come to different locations. And ultimately, they didn't turn up. Next day again at 9 a.m., they called them somewhere in Kamlanagar Taluk. And they kept changing their locations 11 times. Again, they didn't turn up. Next day, incidentally, the policemen, when they had taken some other route, they spotted these people near a toll gate. And again, when they introduced themselves and established contact with them, then they revealed that they had kept a consignment in one particular place, and they agreed to sell that consignment to them. And when they went to that particular sheep farm, they were surprised that this, after detailed questioning, when they revealed that they were policemen, they interrogated these two people. And then they revealed that this consignment was hidden in one particular place. There was a place, there was a pit which was covered by wooden planks, which was again covered by soil. When it was removed, then they found that a huge consignment of ganja was kept there. And they were able to secure these two people, and they were able to bring back all this consignment to Bangalore. This is a very, very huge consignment, and I think this is the biggest seizure of ganja in Bangalore. This must be something more than 4 crores, because it is 1,300 kg. And normally a person, whoever is addicted to ganja, he would be consuming around 5 to 10 grams. So this is a substantial quantity, and more than 5-6 lakh doses would have been it would have been converted to. So very good work has been done. Through your channels, I can only request. I also request citizens of Bangalore, particularly parents, the school, college administration, NGOs, and media, to join or support us in our efforts to bring down or eradicate psychotropic substances in Bangalore city. We would like to make Bangalore free from drugs. So please join hands with us, support us, and give us any information of any type of use, abuse, or peddling of drugs in Bangalore city.
So the source of this huge quantity, from where they have procured all this much of...
Yeah.
And how many of them have been arrested? Do you have any photographs?
Yeah. So far, what it has been revealed that this whole ganja consignment was coming from Odisha. This particular, they used to bring it to Telangana. From Telangana, it used to cross over to our border. They used to bring under the along with the vegetables or other items. Then they used to bring to Bangalore in smaller consignments. So this is the first time their whole stock was raided and seized by police. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, is there news coming in of Enforcement Directorate reaching out to CCB regarding certain accused in what the CCB has made arrest in the Kerala gold smuggling case? Can you give us details, sir? What information is seeking? Who are the persons that
they have. I can just say that they have got in touch with us. This is what I can tell you right now.
And who are the persons among the arrested
No,
by
I will
CCB
not.
looking for information?
No. See, they have approached us. This is what I'm telling you right now. Okay, they have approached us. Yes.
It's concerning Kerala gold.